Welcome to my channel today. We are going to consider a very interesting and exciting topic, which is things to consider when trading Forex, a pro guide. This is a very crucial matter when trading Forex, because once you get the things wrong, then you are losing, or you are bound to lose. When you get it right, you are bound to make money. So obviously, what are the things to consider when trading Forex? Forex is an exciting business, at the same time complex. So as a professional, I've learned over the years through the hard way. I've lost so much money to the market and I've gained so much to the market. So let us break down the factors, things to consider when trading Forex. The first thing to consider when trading Forex is risk management. Your goal as a trader is to make money off the market. And the market is positioned to make money off you. So what creates the difference is the risk management. What is the risk management? That is your ability to protect your capital at all costs. That means you must know the lot size or the amount of money you are willing to lose per trade. What percentage of money you are willing to lose per trade? That is your risk tolerance. You must know exact entry points to the market and exit points, the take profit points. These things are very, very essential. Without risk management, you can't be a trader. So I urge you to take time to study your tempo, your mind, what you are willing to lose in the market. If you are an aggressive marketer, if you are a conservative marketer, you should build it into your risk management strategy. The second one is what? Market analysis. Now, assuming after you have accepted the amount of money you are willing to lose the market, now you have to conduct market analysis. Without the market analysis, you cannot determine the position to trade or to exit the market. There are three market analyses you should be aware or abreast with as a trader. Fundamental analysis. This is understanding the fundamentals, the economic fundamentals of the pair you want to trade. For instance, the unemployment rate of the country. What is the unemployment rate? What is the export rate? These are factors to consider. The political stability or instability of the particular pair. Remember, the pairs are tied to the economy of the country that owns that pair. If you are trading Euro USD, JPP, JPY, any pair you are trading, what are their economic indices? That is what we call the fundamental analysis. You must know them. Visit some websites to know the economic situation of the pair. Is it euro? What is happening in euro? You must know what's the political situation in the eurozone. You must know, because these things affect the currency pair. Then the next is technical analysis. Now, this is the understanding of the charts, the chart pattern, the candlestick formation. This is the bedrock of every successful Forex trader. Let me tell you, the fundamental, in my own terms, I call it the language of Forex trading. The fundamental is a chart. It speaks a language. It tells you, sorry, the technical. I'm talking of the technical. It speaks the language, the chart pattern, the candlestick patterns, tells you where the market will possibly go. It is very vital that if you are a new trader, you should, even if you are not a new trader, you should know your candlestick pattern. let me tell you, let me shock you, with correct understanding of the technical analysis, technical indicators, you don't need any indicator on your chart. The next analysis is news and events. Now, the news and events are usually spike. They are specific time, trading time, that this news, like non-farm payroll in the US, unemployment rates, all this news, traders want to know. So there are specific time and days at which this news have been released. So some traders trade that particular news. What it does is that it causes spike in the market. So if you are a news or event trader, fine. But you must analyze the market using these three ways. Talking as a professional trader, I pay little or no attention to the news and events, because at the end of the day, all they create in the market is a spike. At the end of the day, the market, the fundamentals, which determines the trend of the pairs, still hold. Then the third things to consider when trading is your trading psychology. This can be emotional. Remember, your money is involved. So once your money is involved, the emotions will run. So how do you tackle this? Develop a strong trading psychology to avoid making impulsive decisions based on the fear or greed. When you have a complete trading structure, make sure you maintain that trading structure. That is the discipline. Stick to your rules. In my own case, I trade one pair, one direction most times, and 1% of my capital per trade. My major currency is Euro USD. I know how far it can go. I know indicators, technical indicators that it obeys comfortably. These are the psychology. When you are well prepared, then you'll be psychologically fit to feed the market. Manage your expectation. Forex is all about risk. So don't expect making billions, trillions of dollars a night. It is normal business. So you must learn from your mistakes. That is the three things you have to learn when trading Forex. Now, we've come to a very crucial point. What to do when you are trading Forex or when trading Forex is choose the right broker. Who is a broker? This is the middleman between you and the market. There are different types of brokers. First tier, second tier, third tier. How do you identify the right broker? Let me tell you, the brokers, there is this saying in the market that nobody controls the market. No, I'm speaking out of authoritatively, out of experience. The brokers control the market. They manipulate the market to their favor. So you must pay attention to a broker. How do you do that? Get reviews about brokers. Check if they are regulated. Check their trading platforms. What are their fees and spread? Now, as a beginner, these things you will not know them just by seeing a broker. So do in-depth research, reviews, list of brokers. Go to Google, search list of brokers. Then from list of brokers, do each broker's plus review. You will see what traders are saying about it. Please, the broker that you choose matters a lot. So I strongly urge you to check your broker. Then, continuous learning. The Forex market is dynamic. Every day, activities of economic activities, political activities, natural disasters affect the market. So you must continue learning, read books, articles, follow reputable sources, seminars, practice what you read. You must continue learning. So you must have a journal that will always, you always pen down your mistakes, what you've learned for the day. It's dynamic. It's not static. So you must continue learning. Remember, forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So you must have a long-term success and avoid chasing quick profit or quick riches. There is no guaranteed formula exactly for success. All you do is that you have to develop your own style and adapt to your strategy based on market conditions. Let me tell you, if you go online, you see a lot of signal providers, and 90% of people following those signal providers don't make money. Do you know why? Those traders that provide signals analyze market based on their psychology, based on their understanding of the market, which is different from you. So you must develop your own understanding of the market, your own strategy. Above all, your goal to trade is to make money while protecting your capital. So the risk management, you must pay attention to it. By following these instructions or considerations and continuously developing your skills, you will definitely make money from the market. You will definitely, I'm speaking authoritatively because I make money. I have a strategy that gives me money. Work on your own strategy. And stick to it, discipline, and you will definitely make money as a trader. Thank you for watching. Watch out for my next video. Please subscribe, share, click the notification button. Make sure you visit back because I have a lot to share in a simple words, simple ways that you understand Forex and possibly make money from it. Thank you for watching once more.